Hello, Jason Vansickle, Curator of Vehicles here at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, and I have some exciting news. I'm here in the restoration department, and I'd like to announce that due to the overwhelming support of over 140 donors, we have reached our goal of $103,000 to complete the Lotus 29-1 restoration project. We truly appreciate all the support from the donors and fans from the beginning of this project. It's an exciting time here. The car is actually not here in the restoration garage. It's in Erie, Pennsylvania. Our friend George Lyons from Contemporary Motor Car is painting the car for us right now. Once it returns, it will be in its iconic white and blue livery. We have some suspension work to do. We'll go through the engine here, put it on the dyno, and then put the car back together. Our goal is still to run it race morning before the 104th running of the Indianapolis 500 in May. But this is not the only project we have here in the restoration project. Please be on the lookout and check our Facebook page, the Indianapolis Motor Speedway Museum Restoration Project, for updates and upcoming announcements for our future plans for 2020 and beyond. Thank you.